Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn how to make an image slider with the React. This is custom slider which we have to make with the help of the state. Okay, so we are not using any kind of package to make a slider with the React into this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So see the demo first. So here, this is the demo. You can see slider. You can go with the previous button also. Okay, so how we are going to create this one? This is a custom made slider. Let's dive into the code level. Okay, so here we have a app.js file, image crossel. This is the image crossel file where we have written all the logic. So these are the dummy images, and in the component we are sending the images over here. Okay, let's go to the image crossel. Let's click on it, and here we have the image crossel. Then this is image crossel css. Okay, I will show you the css also, so you can just write it like this. Okay, done. Let's move to the our main code. Image crossel, current index, set index. The use state by default is 0. Go to the slide, which slide you want to go to the previous slide. This is the previous slide code. Okay, then go to the next slide. So all three slides go to next, previous. So we have to take care of the index, which index it does. Okay, then this is the class name carousel button. We have made the go to the previous slide and go to the next slide. Two buttons are there. In the meanwhile, we have the rendering part of the slides container, style transform, current index 100%, images dot map. So here we are mapping the images with the int key index, class name, on click, go to slide. So whenever I click on the go to slide, so it will slide, and current slide is active and slide with the transformations. Okay, with the ease, with the transition, with the animation, right? Then we have an image source over here. Okay, after that we have a button. After doing this, you are able to make a nice beautiful crossel into your React project. Okay, this is custom made. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.